Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the Crassula Ovata, also known as Jade Plant, Lucky Plant, Money Tree or Money Plant. Now to begin with, you should know that the plant comes from South Africa and Mozambique. The Crassula Ovata is a very popular succulent shrub or small tree with these shiny green leaves, often edged with red. They are known to grow up to 2.5 meter or 8.2 feet tall, sparingly branched at the base, or with a single main stem that can be up to 20 centimeters or 8 inches in diameter. The branches are gray-green with older bark peeling in horizontal brownish stripes. Leaves are fleshy, rounded, and can be around 9 centimeter or 3.6 inches long, and up to 4 centimeter, 1.6 inches wide, and grows in opposite pairs along the branches. Flowers are star-shaped, white or pink, and appear in winter in compact round clusters. Now, if you're having issues with your jade plant, I have linked in the description a way to handle some of the common issues, such as why is your jade plant turning red? Don't worry, we got a solution for that. White spots on the leaves? Don't worry, we got a solution for that as well. Now, as we continue, we're gonna look a little bit on how you can grow and care for the succulent. The Cacti plant prefers full sun to partial shade. However, intense afternoon sun in the hottest period of summer can burn the leaves of the plant. If you want to learn how to deal with sunburn, there's a link for that in the description as well. Now, most Cactuses can be grown indoor if you give it enough lights. So be sure to place it in the correct window. Now, if you look at the soil, there are not particular things about the soil pH that we need to think about, but Cactuses regularly require very porous soil with excellent drainage. So we recommend that you use a well-draining succulent soil. The plant is known to tolerate temperature as low as 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, that is minus 1.1 to plus 10 degrees Celsius. The USDA hardiness zone of the plant is between 10A and 11B. Now, let's talk about watering. Most people tend to overwater the succulent. That will cause the roots to rot. We want to avoid that at all costs. So, these plants have a very typical water need for succulents. So, simply soak and dry the plant. That means you're going to want to water the plant until water comes out of the drainage hole on the bottom of your pot. Now, before you water it again, you're going to have to let the plant dry out. And when it's winter, make sure that you reduce watering frequency. Otherwise, the plant might die. When fertilizing Cacti, it will benefit from small amount of organic fertilizer during midsummer, when they start actively growing. And when you repot, you should do so as needed, preferably in the spring, at the beginning of the active growth period. Now, the jade plant is relatively simple to propagate, simply by leaves or stem cuttings. They can also be grown from seeds and offsets, but we always recommend leaves or stem cuttings. It's easier. Now, despite this plant's beauty, Crassula ovata is toxic to cats, dogs, and horses, as well as mildly toxic to humans, so be careful not to eat the plant. Now, if you have enjoyed our video, make sure that you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Every little bit counts, and if you want to make sure you see more of these videos, be sure to write so in the comments below. Thank you, bye.